most welcome to Historiespanarna, History Constants, and from ore to roar, Ford V-Type 1936. In the modern age of industry, power is not discovered, it is made. From the raw materials of the earth comes the strength that moves a nation. Deep within the iron ranges of America, iron ore are taken from the ground, crushed and prepared for its journey, by rail and by water. These materials are carried to the great foundries of Ford Motor Company, where science and labor unite. So hang on for some automotive nostalgia, and please subscribe to our channel and join us on our continuing journey in history. At the blast furnace, ore meets fire. 1500 tons per day can be produced here. Combined with coke and limestone, the ore is transformed under tremendous heat. Impurities are drawn away, and the molten iron flows forth, glowing, alive, ready for shaping. This iron, refined and controlled, is cast into pig form and sent onward to the foundry floor. Here, the making of an engine begins. The pig iron is melted once more in towering cupola furnaces. Skilled men carefully regulate temperature and composition, adding precise amounts of alloy to ensure strength and durability. The molten metal, now fit for purpose, is guided towards waiting molds. Sand molds, formed from carefully prepared patterns, shape the future engine. Inside them, hand-built cores define cylinders, water passages, and crankcase cavities. Each core must be exact, for errors here cannot be corrected later. Later, when all this is ready, the pour begins. Molten iron fills the mold, flowing into every cavity. The block takes shapes in silence, hidden beneath the sand, as heat slowly fades. Coaling is deliberate. Crushed metal cracks. Patient metal endures. Hours later, the mold is broken away. The rough engine block emerges, solid, unmistakable but unfinished. Excess metal is ground away. Surfaces are clean. At this stage, only experience can judge whether the casting is worthy of further work. Approved blocks move onward. Heat treatment relieves internal stresses, strengthening the irons for the demands ahead. Then machining begins. Large, belt-driven machines mill the deck surfaces. Boring bars cut the cylinders. Line boring ensures the crankshaft will turn true. Every operation removes metal with purpose. Nothing more, nothing less. Valve seats are cut, threads are tapped, all passages are cleared. Between each step, the block is cleaned and examined. Precision is not assumed, it is verified. Now, the engine block nears completion. Before assembly may begin, the block enters final inspection. Gauges measure cylinder diameter. Surfaces are checked for flatness. Passages are treated for alignment and flow. Nothing escapes inspection, for the strength of the engine depends upon what cannot be seen once it is assembled. From iron ore to precision casting, from fire to form, this block is ready to become the heart of a Ford V-Type engine, built not by chance but by design, discipline, and industrial mastery.
That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.